Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for March 2026. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. And also, I will not message you or follow you to offer services, no? So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, go to my website, mrqueenph.com, o kaya you can book directly sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa description or sa comment section. Okay? So, let's see. What's the energy ng inyong kaperahan for Aries? March 2026 kaperahan. Okay, so you have Ihwas. So this is rebirth, endings. So you may be letting go of a career or a job or a mindset pagdating sa pera. So, yung iba may matatapos na work, career path, and then starting a new work or job, career. Or this can be pagdating sa mindset mo sa pera. Kung dati parang lagi kang nagagastos lang ng nagagastos. So ngayong March, mas magiging maingat ka sa pag-handle ng pera mo. Medyo magkukuripot ka, ganon. Oo. So you also have Ansus. So Ansus is about wisdom and insights. So I feel like marami kang natutunan sa work mo, sa career mo, sa experiences mo nung mga nakaraang buwan. Kaya ngayong March, i-apply mo yan sa iyong career, sa iyong trabaho. So, pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng mga trainings, research, bagong learnings. That will help you, no? Makakatulong to sa pag-improve ng iyong career, ng iyong trabaho. And you also have Tiwas. Tiwas is about leadership, victory. So, I see you na maaring merong leadership role. So, pwedeng part ng transformation mo ay yung upgrade ng career, ng trabaho mo ngayong March. So, from, let's say, rank and file, magiging manager ka, ganyan. Or, merong leadership role, or it's like you're going to handle a group or lead a group. Can also be start of a new business for some of you. Okay? So this is about leadership and your courage. So meron kang lakas ng loob, tibay ng dibdib. Yan. So very powerful yung energy for you sa inyong career, kaperahan. Let's see what else. Money, career, finances for Aries, ngayong March 2026. Okay. Harvest. So, ito yung ani. Magandang ani. Ayan. So, I think ito yung iba sa inyo, literal, meron kayong mga itinanim. O, aanihin nyo na ngayong March. Some of you naman, ito yung mga sacrifices nyo, yung mga efforts na binigay nyo sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo. So, you are finally reaping the rewards. Some of you, investment to. Meron kayong investment, tapos makukuha nyo na yung interest ng investments nyo. You also have justice here. So, this is about delivering divine justice. Whatever is, kung ano man yung dinideserve mo. When it comes to your career, your business, you will be able to get this. You will be able to receive yung destined para sa iyo. And some of you, this can be a decision that you need to take or you need to do ngayong March sa career mo. O, diba? Victory! Wow! Meron kang isi-celebrate. So, some of you, itong celebration na to is regarding sa leadership na makukuha mo. So, may promotion sa trabaho. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. Or meron kang project na finally natapos na and maganda yung naging resulta nung project mo na 'yan. And even sa mo rin sa, let's say, sa business mo, meron kang achievement sa business. You have the Knight of Cups, the Four of Swords, the Emperor, and the Knight of Swords. Okay, Knight of Cups energy, this is someone who is very thoughtful, someone who is caring. This can be your energy na pagdating sa trabaho mo, nandun talaga yung pagmamahal mo sa work mo, sa career mo, sa craft mo. You are really focusing on what you really love. And at the same time, with the Four of Swords, this is you na, alam mo rin kung paano mo i-balance, no? Make sense with the Justice card. Paano mo i-balance yung time mo, yung energy mo, na hindi laging sub-sub sa trabaho. You also know when to take a rest. So, meron kang pagkakataon na mas makapagpahinga. You also have the Emperor. So, definitely talaga leadership role for you. Or maaring ikaw yung in control sa life mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, career ninyo is employment, no? Yung bang wala kang boss. You are your own boss. Kaya mas hawak mo yung oras mo kung kailan mo gustong mag-work or kung kailan mo gustong magpahinga. You also have the Knight of Swords. So this is like can be a communication from someone who wants to talk to you about money, or parang pwede ring meron kang mamadaliin pagdating sa pag-aasikaso mo ng pera, or maaring may mamadaliin ka sa mga paperworks, or alam mo yung mga tawag doon, mga permits kung ikaw yung nagsisimula ng isang business. You have the Eight of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, Eight of Cups is leaving a situation. This can also mean yung walking away from a situation. So some of you are walking away from a career path or a situation sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, na you feel na hindi mo nakukuha yung resulta na gusto mo. Kasi with the Seven of Pentacles, ito yung parang paasa energy na you've been working, you've been doing the effort, pero parang walang nagiging resulta for you. So that's why merong something new that is going to start for your career or for the business. So pwedeng meron, napindot ko yung end. So, habang nagre-record, na-end ko siya. So, anyway, ayun. So, maaring meron kang susubukang bago, no? Parang bagong pakulo kung meron kang negosyo. Ayan. Let's see what other messages. Kasi yung iba sa inyo parang naiinip na, excuse me, naiinip ka sa sitwasyon mo. Kaya parang you want to, ikaw na mismo yung magli-lead. Na parang ako na ang magiging in charge ng trabaho na to, or ng career na to, or ng business na to, or ng finances. Ganon. Work flexibility. Ayan o. Seek work flexibility, negotiate remote work options. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ine-negotiate na remote work. So, work from home, ganyan, or yung bang pwedeng hybrid na nasa 2 days, nasa office ka, 4 days, or 3 days nasa bahay yung work mo. Ayan. And also, work flexibility is mag-a-apply din to sa mga may home base, ang tawag nito? Yung self-employment na wala kang ang boss, hawak mo yung oras mo, or may business ka. Income goals. So, you're setting clear income goals ngayong March para alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mong ma-achieve. Oo. Kasi kung dati parang, ay bahala na kung ano na lang. Ngayon, gusto mo maging clear kasi gusto mo malaman kung may magiging resulta ba yung paghihirapan mo. At mag-aayos ka rin ng iyong budget. Track your income and expenses. Mag-allocate ka ng funds wisely. Yung iba sa inyo, bibili kayo ng mga, yung mga nabibili online na parang mga notebook, tapos may plastic doon, na doon mo ilalagay yung pera. Para siyang album. Pero mga pera yung laman. Ganon. So, it's more on allocation. O kaya mag-open ka ng account, new account, para mas ma-track mo yung ipon mo. So, you are really managing and monitoring your income ngayong March. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.